Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into common exercise mistakes that might be holding you back from smashing those fitness goals. Listen, we've all been there, swinging weights around, hoping for the best. But proper form is key, my friends, to unlock those incredible results and avoid any nasty injuries. We're gonna break down these mistakes, step by step, and show you exactly how to fix them. Remember, we're on this journey together, so grab your water bottle, let's get started. And hey, if you're ready to take your training to the next level, check out Trainer Joe's at trainatjoes.com. Got results? We do. Alright team, let's talk squats. This is a killer exercise, but so many people get it wrong. First up, are your knees caving in when you squat down? We need to push those knees out, keeping them in line with your toes. And listen, don't be afraid to really push those hips back. Imagine you're sitting back into a chair. Next up, keep those heels planted firmly on the ground throughout the entire movement. If you find your heels lifting, it's a sign you might be pushing too far forward onto your toes. Remember, we want that weight distributed evenly. And finally, keep that core engaged, nice and tight, to protect that lower back. No rounding those shoulders, we want a strong, straight back throughout. Okay, deadlifts. Time to lift some heavy stuff. But hold on, before you even think about grabbing that barbell, listen up. The biggest mistake I see is rounding that lower back. We need a nice neutral spine throughout the entire lift. Imagine a steel rod running through your back, keeping you strong and stable. Next, remember, this isn't an arm workout. We're using those powerful leg and glute muscles to lift the weight. Think about pushing through the floor with your heels, driving those hips forward, and keep that bar close to your body, almost grazing your shins as you lift. Push-ups, they seem simple enough, right? But even a slight dip in form can make all the difference. First things first, are your hips sagging down towards the floor? We need to engage that core, tighten those glutes, and create a straight line from head to heels. Next, watch those elbows. Are they flaring out to the sides? We want to aim for about a 45-degree angle with your elbows, not a chicken wing situation. And finally, make sure you're lowering your chest all the way down towards the floor, getting that full range of motion. Chapter 4. Plank you very much. Holding strong. Alright, time to plank it out. This isometric exercise is all about core strength, but it's easy to slip up. Firstly, are your hips hiking up towards the ceiling or sagging down towards the floor? We need to find that sweet spot, a straight line from head to heels. Next, check that lower back. Is it dipping down like a hammock? We need to engage those abs, tuck that pelvis in slightly, and imagine you're pulling your belly button up towards your spine. And remember to breathe. It's easy to hold your breath during a plank, but deep, controlled breaths will actually help you hold it longer. Chapter 5. Lunging like a pro. Step it up. Lunges. They're a fantastic exercise for those legs and glutes, but we need to watch our form. First up, are your knees shooting way over your toes when you step forward? We want to aim for that front knee to be directly above your ankle, not pushing past it. Next, keep that chest lifted and proud. Don't lean forward too much. We want to maintain a nice, upright posture throughout the lunge. And finally, take controlled steps. Don't rush the movement, feel that stretch in your quads and glutes, and really focus on that mind-muscle connection. Chapter 6. Pull-ups. Conquer the bar. Pull-ups, the ultimate test of upper body strength. But before you start swinging like a monkey, let's break down the form. Firstly, are you using momentum to get your chin over the bar? We need to ditch the kipping and focus on controlled, deliberate movements. Next, engage those scapula. Think about pulling your shoulder blades down and back like you're trying to put them in your back pockets. This will help activate those back muscles and take the strain off your arms. And lastly, keep that neck neutral. Don't crane your head forward to try and reach the bar. Keep your gaze straight ahead. Chapter 7. Bicep curls. Everyone wants those sculpted arms, right? But swinging those dumbbells around isn't going to get you there. First things first, ditch the momentum. We want to use slow, controlled movements, both on the way up and the way down. Feel that bicep muscle working? Next, watch those elbows. Are they creeping forward or flaring out to the sides? We want to keep those elbows locked in place close to your torso throughout the entire curl. Alright, time to hit the bench press. This is a classic chest exercise, but it's crucial to get the form right. Firstly, are your elbows flared out to the sides like chicken wings? We want to aim for about a 45-degree angle with your elbows, not a 90-degree angle. Next, maintain a slight arch in your lower back, but don't go overboard. We don't want to be banana-ing off the bench. And finally, make sure you're lowering the bar in a controlled manner, aiming for the middle of your chest, close to your sternum. Rows, whether you're using a barbell or dumbbells, are fantastic for building a strong back. But listen up, because this is another exercise where form is key. Firstly, are you rounding your back like a hunchback? We need to keep that spine neutral, just like we did with the deadlifts. Next, ditch the momentum. We're not trying to rock the boat here. Use controlled movements, pulling the weight towards your chest, and really squeezing those back muscles at the top of the movement. And finally, keep those elbows tucked in close to your body. Don't let them flare out to the sides. Last but not least, the overhead press. This exercise targets those shoulders, but it's important to do it right. Firstly, are you arching your back like a bridge? We need to engage that core, brace those glutes, and keep a nice straight line from head to heels. Next, watch those elbows. Are they flaring out to the sides? We want to keep those elbows in front, pointing slightly forward, throughout the entire press. And finally, make sure you're pressing the weight straight up overhead, not in front of you. Imagine you're trying to push the ceiling away. Boom! There you have it, guys. We've tackled those common exercise mistakes head on, and given you the tools to fix them. Remember, proper form is everything when it comes to getting results and avoiding injuries. Now I want you to get out there, put in the work, and smash those fitness goals. And hey, if you're ready to take your training to the next level, head over to trainerjoes.com. We've got personalized workout plans, nutrition guidance, and a whole lot of motivation to keep you going. Got results? We do. So, what are you waiting for? Let's do this.